This essay example, as well as thousands of others, is available in text format on our website for free and without registration. Simply Google Ivy Panda Free Essays.
Introduction. Academic honesty has become a significant issue among the elite in academic environments. It can no longer be defined as carrying illegal materials into the exam rooms or copying someone else's work. Indeed, the growth in technology like smartphones and the emergence of the use of the internet in research work has caused administrators in universities and colleges to extend the definition of academic honesty or dishonesty. Academic honesty involves the students submitting work that is originally theirs and the inclusion of the cited sources in their work. The academic community is generally aware that students can't come up with their own original work and, therefore, allow the inclusion of other people's work in direct quotes or paraphrases only if the original author is appropriately acknowledged. Academic honesty takes different forms and addresses various aspects in schools and colleges. Academic honesty. Academic honesty is important because the results obtained from schools or colleges are referred to in the future. Future employers refer to these documents when assessing the abilities and gifts of the students before actual employment. Therefore, high levels of integrity should be adhered to in order to ensure quality reports and accurate assessment of the students' abilities and potential. Students commit academic dishonesty when they engage in activities that are classified into 4 general types, namely, cheating, dishonest conduct, plagiarism, and collusion. Cheating. Cheating is the most ancient form of academic dishonesty known in history. It takes different forms whereby the rules and regulations governing formal or informal examinations are violated. For instance, copying other people's work during examinations, sharing one's answers with another during examinations, or submitting other people's work as one's original work. During examinations, invigilators are placed strategically in the exam room to monitor students' behavior, but some students attempt to share answers. A student is not allowed to communicate with their fellow students in an exam room without the express permission of the invigilator, and a violation of these rules amounts to cheating. Taking an examination on behalf of another student also amounts to cheating. Generally, cheating offers an unfair advantage to the students involved over the rest. Dishonest conduct. The unfair advantage could also be meted out to students when they commit dishonest conduct, such as stealing examination or answer keys from the instructor. Desperate times call for desperate measures, and students are capable of doing anything to rescue their dreams of scooping first-class honors. Such cases have been reported several times and can be classified as dishonest conduct. Further, students who try to change official academic results without following the procedures laid by the respective academic institutions commit dishonest conduct. Obtaining answers before the actual exam or altering records after certification leads to low academic standards. Plagiarism. Plagiarism is a recent form of violating academic honesty and is defined as intellectual theft. The crime comes in when one uses another person's findings, as if his or hers, without giving the due credit to the source. Plagiarism takes the form of stealing other people's ideas or words and the form of using other people's work without crediting the source properly. The sources mentioned here include articles from electronic journals, newspaper articles, published books, and even websites. The internet has become a source of information for research, and the easy accessibility and convenience provide a temptation for students to copy and paste other people's work. However, it amounts to plagiarism and is classified as a violation of academic honesty. Though plagiarism can be either intentional or unintentional on the part of the student, it still amounts to academic dishonesty either way. Therefore, students should be careful to ensure that their work is free of plagiarism. Preventing academic dishonesty. Academic institutions have come up with measures to curb the spread of academic dishonesty and maintain the credibility of their programs. Academic dishonesty leads to the production of half-baked graduates who lower the standards of education, hence that of the university. Students who commit academic dishonesty do not think on their own, hence, they do not develop the art of thinking, which is critical for quality education. Ensuring enough spacing between students in the exam rooms and adhering to silence during exams reduces institutions' cheating rates. Instructors should also participate fully in ensuring that the work presented by students meets the set standards in respective academic institutions. Instructors should be able to call the students and ask them questions regarding their submitted work to ensure they wrote it themselves. Technological developments also assist in fighting these vices in institutions. Software development in the computer science field has developed software that is able to detect plagiarism. This software, known as anti-plagiarism software, runs scans through the internet by comparing the submitted articles with various databases on the internet. The sentences are compared, and any of them found to match a particular percentage is classified as plagiarism. Academic institutions use this software to ensure that students do not copy directly and that they appropriately acknowledge their sources. In some institutions, violation of anti-plagiarism or academic honesty rules in general amounts to punishment of different forms that, in the worst case, result in expulsion from these academic institutions. Conclusion. The forms of academic dishonesty and methods of prevention discussed above are only general descriptions. However, they can be discussed more specifically and in forms that would help improve the standards of education in academic institutions through policy research by the concerned institutions. Academic honesty is crucial to a country's economy's growth because integrity defines future graduates' character. This essay on the importance of maintaining academic honesty was written and submitted by a student just like you. The Ivy Panda Samples database hosts thousands of works similar to this one, on various subjects. Visit ivypanda.com to find what you are looking for, free of charge.